Now let's start with the first factor responsible for the formation of Muslim League. तो कैसा है ये factor? The factor is that loss of sovereignty by the Mughal rulers. The very first point where I would like to discuss with you that the Muslims became bitter enemies of the British. Why? I don't know if you remember this thing. It started with an announcement made by Lord Dalhousie in 1849. The announcement that he made was that the successors of Bahadur Shah Zafar would not be permitted to live in the Red Fort, though they supposed to live in the nearby area near the Qutub Minar. That was the first announcement made by Lord Dalhousie. Second announcement that created resentment amongst the Muslims against the British was made by Lord Canning in 1856. That announcement was that the successor of Bahadur Shah Zafar would not be permitted to use the title that is the Mughal Emperor of India. These two announcements created a resentment amongst the Muslim people at that time, right? And during the revolt of 1857, Muslims were the one who were fighting against these British at the forefront of those frontiers of the battle, right? And the next thing is Wahhabi movement aimed to end the British domination. And before telling you what happened in India, I would like to tell you what is this Wahhabi movement. Wahhabi movement was started in the year 1820, right? So basically it was a movement started with the purpose to bring reforms in the Islam in Saudi Arabia. तो सऊदी अरेबिया में एक मूवमेंट शुरू हुई तो उसका हिंदुस्तान से क्या लेना देना रहा, बिकॉज इन इंडिया द सुन्नी मुस्लिम्स वर ऑल्सो looking forward to participate in that movement, and here they got united against the British because British became the bitter enemies of the Muslims as they dethroned their king, that is Bahadur Shah Zafar. Because they dethroned their king, so here all the Sunni Muslims got united against these British under that title of Wahhabi movement, right? The third thing is that the British discriminated the Muslims. So soon after the revolt of end of the revolt of 1857, the British started claiming or blaming that whatever has happened in the revolt of 1857, it is just because of these Muslims. तो उन्होंने Muslims को blame करना शुरू कर दिया. तो they are the one who did every single thing, right? And for upcoming near about 20 or 30 years, 20 years maybe, yes, 20 years, the next coming 20 years, they adopted a discriminating policy towards the Muslim people. And in 70s, at the beginning of 1870s, they started appeasing Muslims, right? And why they did so? Because they're looking forward to put a rift between Hindus and Muslims. अब दो भाई बहन हो आपके, तो आप किसी एक को ज़्यादा तवज्जो देते हो, right? If you started pampering one particular child, so definitely the other will started feeling jealous, right? So the British, in order to create a jealousy amongst these two societies, first they started appeasing the Hindus and then they started appeasing the Muslims. So by doing so, they created a jealousy amongst these two ethnic groups against each other. तो ये दोनों में एक नफ़रत के भाव पैदा होने शुरू हो गए, और ये जो नफ़रत के भाव में सेपरेटिस्ट ट्रेंड को जन्म देता है. दे गिव बर्थ टू सेपरेटिस्ट ट्रेंड, एंड दैट बिकेम अ कॉज और अ लीडिंग फैक्टर for the formation of Muslim League. The